And today we've got day number 15, and it's pretty lumpy.
Lumpy. What's in a lumpy day number 15? Let's find out.
Ooh, another one of those.
Collection pack. Creative cuts to match the collection pack from yesterday. These are our indigo and violet creative cuts. These are perfect for making quick cards and slotting in the layers of your scrapbooking. These are very beautiful. Do you want to say something?
I was going to say that they're very symmetrical to the thing we got yesterday.
Oh, which is same. Symmetrical normally means exactly the same
I know.
halves, but they are very similar. That's the word I'm looking for. Yes, they're perfect. So they match the indigo and violet collection. Thank you so much for watching. We will be back tomorrow with day number 16. We'll see you then. Bye.
Bye.